Good morning. Today's lesson is about algebraic expressions and the special part of them, which is remarkable identities. We're going to see the difference between algebraic term and algebraic expression. So our first title is algebraic term versus algebraic expression. An algebraic term is consisted of a coefficient and an unknown. First of all, I'm going to show you what is a coefficient. A coefficient in these examples is a 3, 7, and minus 12. So these are the coefficients of the following algebraic terms. So 3x is the first algebraic term, 7y second algebraic term, and minus 12xy cubed is our third example. The second part of the algebraic term is the unknown. So an algebraic term is made up of an unknown, and so x is the unknown, y is the second unknown, and xy cubed is the unknown of the third example. An algebraic expression is made up of several algebraic terms. So, example, we have 4x squared is the first term, 9x is the second term, and 8 is the third term. So three terms make for us something called an algebraic expression. To add algebraic expressions, we add only similar algebraic terms. What are similar algebraic terms? Are terms which have the same unknown. For example, here 4x squared with 5x squared can be added together, so we make something called grouping, okay? And then we add them together to get minus x squared. Another example is 6x with 2x, this is the second term, are added together to make something like 6x plus 2x, and their answer will be 8x. The last term, which is minus 3, okay, with minus 6, this is the third term. They are similar terms. We add them together, minus 3 minus 6, their answer will be minus 9. Multiplying two algebraic expressions. To multiply two algebraic terms, we have to multiply the first term by the first term. So we have 4x times y, we get 4xy, and we multiply the first term with the second, which is 4x times 2, it is 8x. Another example, x times 3x, it is 3x squared. X times minus 4, it is minus 4x. The third example, it is a little bit difficult than the first one. 3x times x, it is 3x squared. We multiply the first by the second term. Now 3x times 5, it is 15x. The second term by the first term, minus 2 times x, it is minus 2x. And the second term by the second term, which is minus 10. Now we get the answer here. It is equal to 3x squared and you have to add the similar terms, which are 15x and minus 2x, because both have the same unknown, which is x. Their answer is plus 13x. And the last one, minus 10, it is copied as it is. And we have finished. Now, what are remarkable identities? Remarkable identities are rules that we can use by memorizing them to factorize and expand some algebraic expressions. Remarkable identities are more than these, but today we're going to learn 3 of them, which are a plus b all squared. Its answer is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. We got this answer by multiplying a plus b times a plus b, so we multiply it by itself. And the answer will be by getting the square to a, which is a squared, and the square to b, which is b squared. So the first term and the last one. The middle term is 2ab, which is got by multiplying 2 times a times b. Okay, so it is 2ab. To explain this more, we have this example. X plus 3 all squared. First, the squared, it is going to go to x. So we have x squared. Then the square to 3. It is 3 squared, the third term. And the middle term, as we said, it is 2ab. 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 Here x is represented by a, and 3 it is for b. So we have 2 times x times 3 instead of a times b. Our answer will be 2x3. We multiply them together and we get 6x. 3 squared, it is 3 times 3, so it is 9. Our answer will be x squared plus 6x plus 9. Here we made something called expand, because we are moving from this shape to this shape, which is expand. Now we have the second one, which is a plus b. We have here minus. We have a minus b all squared. It is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And here we have a minus b into a plus b equals a squared minus b squared. The explanation of this one is similar for the first one, but we're going to study the example. X minus 4 all squared. We move the square to x, and the answer will be x squared. 4 squared, it is the third term, and the middle one, it is 2ab as in the first example. So this is also a and this is b. So 2ab, 2 times 4 equals 8, and we got minus 28x. And 4 squared, it is 16. Our answer will be x squared minus 8x plus 16. The last one, which we call it the difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared, its answer is a minus b into a plus b. So here, x minus 4 into x plus 4, its answer will be x squared minus 4 squared, and 4 squared will be minus 16. If you want to factorize, we go back in these from and backward. So we go this way to factorize. So we have the answer, for example, x squared plus x plus 4, it is equal to x plus 3 all squared. This is factorized. So here, if I want to factorize this one, I get this answer. If I want to expand this one, I get this answer. So if I go from left to right, it is expand. If I go from right to left, it is factorize. Here I'm going to show you that we have not only these 3 remarkable identities, we have more, but we're not going to study them. We are just going to show them for you a plus b plus c all squared, a plus b all cubed, a minus b all cubed, a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. So we have different remarkable identities, but you are responsible this year about only the first three remarkable identities. Hope you understood today's explanation. Have a nice day.